everyone, and welcome back to the Rider Pro. If you're a fan of modern cruisers that blend timeless style with cutting-edge technology, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2026 Honda Rebel lineup. Honda has a reputation for reliability and innovation, and from what we're seeing, the new Rebels are set to continue that legacy. Fresh take on a classic design, the 2026 Rebel lineup continues to embrace the minimalist, bobber aesthetic that has made it so popular. One of the first things you'll notice is the low-slung stance and stripped-down look. Honda has kept the iconic low seat height, which is a huge confidence booster for riders of all sizes. For 2026, we're seeing some fresh and bold color options. The Rebel 500 will be available in pearl black and pearl smoky gray, with a special pearl blue for the SE model, the Rebel. Highlander also gets new paint, including matte black metallic and matte silver. The design isn't just about looks, it's about rider comfort. The handlebars and foot peg placement have been revised to create a more relaxed riding position, especially for taller riders. Power and performance for every journey action shots of the different Rebel models on various roads, city streets and winding country roads. Honda is offering a Rebel for every type of rider with a range of engine choices. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is a 471cc parallel twin engine, known for its smooth power delivery and solid low-end torque, making it perfect for city riding and weekend getaways. This engine is a proven performer, drawn from the sporty CBR 500R and tuned for cruising. For those seeking more power, the Rebel 1100 boasts a 1084C parallel twin engine derived from the Africa Twin. This engine has been refined for 2026 to deliver a muscular and responsive ride. It's available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's advanced automatic dual-clutch transmission. Tech-forward cruising close-ups of the new digital displays and rider controls. One of the most exciting updates for 2026 is the introduction of new dot technology across the Rebel lineup. A standout feature on the Rebel 300 is the new Honda e-clutch, which automates clutch control, making it even more approachable for new riders. Across the lineup, you'll find modern amenities like full LED lighting. The Rebel 1100 models are equipped with a new 5-inch TFT screen that includes Honda's RoadSync for smartphone connectivity, allowing for turn-by-turn navigation, music, and calls. The 1100 also comes with selectable ride modes, standard, rain and sport, which adjust throttle response, and traction control to suit different riding conditions. Trims, availability, and pricing. The 2026 Honda Rebel lineup offers several trim levels to suit your style. The Rebel 500 SE comes with pre-installed accessories like a brown diamond stitch seat and a headlight cowl. Hard saddlebags. Rebel 500, starting at $6,799. Rebel 500, starting at $6,999.